Hey human, I'm Roxanne Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. Check out this clean and simple everyday makeup tutorial. Perfect for my brown girlies age 40 and above. So, I love to start off prepping my skin with my favorite skincare products, which is Barriers. Alrighty, humans, let's go right into this. I like to start with a primer. The primer basically will help your foundation to sit in without shifting, and I like to dab this in gently. So to start my makeup, I'll be applying foundation. Now the trick to a natural makeup is to avoid too much foundation. And while you're doing this, do not forget to moisturize your lips with a lip balm. It's a natural makeup, right? It's perfect for brown girls. And if you're in your 40s and above, I don't think you need a lot of foundation. A little, just like I have on here, is perfect. I like to come in with my rose water to dab everything in. Now, I absolutely love this face angle brush from Barriers because it helps me to apply my brown eyeshadow all over the lid in one swoop. I like to line my eyes as I go. So next on the lid, I bring in my red pigment and I follow that immediately with a dark brown. For this look, less is better. I hope that makes sense. So even applying my powder, I just apply a little bit of it. For my brows that are really thin and sparse, I like to dab powder over them like multiple times so that I am able to achieve a natural looking brows. For this natural look, we are going to be applying a little bit of powder contouring. This is how I patiently draw my brows. Now, because I had applied extra powder on my brows, it enables me to have this really neat sculpture on the brows. Can you see the before and after? Okay, to make my eyes pop, I apply a little bit of brown eyeshadow under the black eyeliner. For this look, which is a natural look, I will be skipping bronzing to keep it natural and fresh. But we also want these brows to be highlighted. So I come in with my foundation just towards the tail of the brows and then blended all of that together. I brought in powder in a lighter shade so that that tail is equally highlighted. And it looks beautiful, natural. I love how quick and easy this routine is. It basically takes me less than 15 minutes to achieve this. Then I am using almost everything from Barriers Cosmetics because they are just easy to use. I use an orange shade of powder on my cheeks. I love their brow gel also. It helps to set the brows in place, and they are absolutely beautiful lip stains to make my lip pop. So I started with Fumi as the base. I followed with Boma, toning down that brightness from Fumi, and then to line my lips, I am using Uyai. Uyai is a light brown shade of lip stain. Embracing a more natural aesthetic is definitely trending, and I believe it is something everyone should try out. I've been trying this often, like I'm your natural girly, and I absolutely love it. I hope it is something you are going to embrace. Thank you so much for joining me in this tutorial. Let's embrace our natural beauty with this makeup routine that enhances our features without looking overdone. Honestly, I'm not a fan of overly done makeup. And moreover, if you're in your 40s plus and above, you should tone down some makeup because it makes you look really old. You don't want to do that. To make this lip pop, I like to follow the lips with foundation to kind of highlight, and I clean that up with powder. That's all I have for you. I guess that's not it. Alrighty, now let's line our eyes with this eyeliner from Debbie Luster. I think she has one of the best eyeliners in Nigeria when you're talking about Nigerian brands. So my advice, when you're lining your eyes, your brows, make sure you take it one step at a time. Do not rush it. If you rush, you make mistakes, but just take it one step at a time. And this is exactly how I apply my mascara. Yeah. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this tutorial. That's all I have for you.